Hello, my friends from YouTube. Today I will show you a small description of a test equipment made in Russia. This is made to measure high voltage, continuous and alternative current, and also resistance. This equipment is made from two parts. We have here some knob to open it. This is the equipment, and inside, if we push it like this, we can open this, and we have the description in Russian. I forgot to say that this is a Russian equipment. Here we have some schematics on how to connect it and also how it works, and a small description in my language, Romanian, but I will leave a link to where you can download this in your own language, as Google supports, of course. Here we have the leads. This is a ground lead with a crocodile clip. This one is made to measure the components with these crocodile leads. To connect it to the machine, we just do like this. Very nice, very sturdy. Now we have the main two sets of leads. So we have the high voltage, the main connection, and ground. This lead is for 6 kilovolts alternative current at, I don't know if you can see it, 504 microamps. Very nice looking test leads. And the second is for 6 kilovolts continuous current. So we have this line here, you see it, at 50.4 microamps. So I think this one is the same like that one, only that this is for continuous current and that one is for alternative current. So these are the leads, and now the main star. We have stop, we have alternative current, continuous current, and resistance. These are the numerous steps where you can measure. I have 1.2A, but I don't think it's A. I think it's something else because this is in Kyrillical Russian language. Microamps, milliamps, sorry, and microamps. Minus, plus, plus. No, alternative and plus, sorry. In the back, we have the compartment for the batteries. I don't have the battery needed for powering this, but of course you can build something to have the necessary voltage and current to drive this equipment. In the back of this we can see 1.6 volts and 20.5 volts. So we have here 20.5 volts, nothing, 1.6 volts. So I think this is minus or ground, something like that. Sorry. So I think this one is for yes, I think it's for the amps and the voltage battery. I don't know for sure, but I can tell you this, that when I will put the video on YouTube, I will play with this a little bit. And if you are interested, leave a comment and I will tell you what information I have about this one, because I just got it and I am looking forward to play a little bit with it. So thumbs up, and I hope you like the presentation. Don't forget to subscribe and like and give it a share, why not, to be able to make more videos. I have more test equipments like this one, so uh, stay tuned because I will show you more and more of this. Thank you very much and happy tinkering. Bye bye.